You should even tell me that what I'm hearing is just a lie. That this thing I'm hearing, this rumor I'm just hearing going up and down, that is just a lie, because I can't. No, 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 no. I don't even believe it. I don't believe this thing I'm even hearing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me, and thank you for subscribing. If you're a silent viewer, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you will get notified and then we'll watch. Okay guys, let's just go straight into this video, because rumor has been going up and down, and if you want to know everything that is going down, just continue watching. So please make sure you watch this video to the end to know whether Katrina, this thing that they're talking about Katrina, whether it is true or not, because the rumor, even the viewers commenting. Okay, let me just break it. The rumor going on right now is that Katrina is a lesbian, that she is into women, that she loves women. Yeah, it's good. It's not a bad thing for someone to love women, but being intimate with the person is another different thing. Guys, as in, can you guys believe it? Because me, I've been hearing the rumor because of what happened last night at the reunion. Yes, everything that happened when people are now saying that she's a lesbian. She's into Lucy, that she likes Lucy. That why the reason why she's complaining too much. She's saying about Lucy, that Lucy is not giving her the attention she wants. See guys, I think Lucy is a very emotional person. And again, I think those people in the house are even misunderstanding that Lucy of a girl. They are, I'm saying boss lady, which is Katrina. They are even misunderstanding boss lady. Please, everybody has his own way. Lucy, Katrina is someone that loves attention. From my own view, from my own point of view, the way I've seen it, the way I saw yesterday, she's someone that loves attention. Like me, I love attention, and again, if you're not giving her that attention, she will just try to be very emotional. She'll be thinking otherwise, maybe they don't want her, all those stuff, blah 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 blah. So I don't know, but the rumors that are going on right now is that she's a lesbian. I've seen a lot of people commenting that she's into Lucy, that she loves Lucy, that because Lucy is not giving her the attention she wants, that because Lucy is friends with Nengi, that's the reason why she. No, I don't think because Lucy is friend with Nengi, is befriending Nengi, that's the reason why Katrina is getting angry. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think that's the reason. So moving on to this Katrina and Lucy stuff. See, people should stop misunderstanding boss lady, which is Katrina, because she's an emotional person, guys, and she's the person that loves attention. You know, she's not with her husband again, maybe with everything that has happened with her and the hobby, maybe. No guys, I don't know, but see, let's just see it that way. Let's stop misunderstanding her. A lot of people have misunderstood. Yes, I know maybe she's not your fan. You are not. She's not your person. You don't like her. Does not mean you just come up and say something that you don't even know. Katrina needs love. I think that's what Katrina needs. She needs love. She needs true friend. You're not the one that will come and be backstabbing her. Yes, like see, like what Praise said. Praise was just opening his mouth, vomiting nonsense, saying Katrina does not. If you are friends with Katrina, and if you are friends with Katrina's enemy, Katrina does not want you to befriend that her enemy. See, what is his name? Praise is just vomiting around nonsense. Praise is just blabbing, as in he's just blabbing. And how can we say that? See, even if you are an enemy, you must not be my enemy. Even if you are friend, even if we are friends, your enemy will never be my enemy. And I don't see it that way. But the way people are seeing it is another thing. The way people are seeing these things is another thing. They are going too far. Honestly speaking, they are going too far. Katrina needs love. Katrina needs a friend. Yes, she needs a true friend. She needs attention. That's all Katrina wants. But the way these people are seeing it, Tochi was like, your food is not even sweet. Katrina that I know that cooked. If Katrina did not give Tochi food, Tochi would be crying because Tochi now wait. They because anyway, it's like just their last time. They just want to come and chime for the last time. Yes, I understand them, but because you want to come and chime, stop making another person feel bad. Because she was hot. Honestly, Katrina was hot. I don't know whether everything was scripted. I don't know whether it was scripted, but people are saying this looks scripted to me. I don't know whether it was scripted something, but trust me, it shouldn't have happened. Thank God for Kid Wire that was like, no, I'm not among them. You are my friend. I love you. Oh, thank God. Kid Wire, God bless you. You don't even know how that's. I'm sure, yes, she will at least for saying that. I hope Kid Wire for saying that. Thank you, Kid Wire. Thank you so much. As in, this is something that I never even expected. But thank you, Lucy, on her own side. Lucy. I love that girl, Lucy. Let's move on to Lucy and Kaicha. What happened? Omo, Basbos. As in, that slap. As in, if you even see where the slap was coming, you would know that that thing was, it was hard. It was. Kaicha never even expected that. See, why bringing your mom? Why did Kaicha even start? Why bringing your mom was not even a monk? Why bringing your mom? I cannot even do that. See, your mom disrespected. See, let me just tell you, Kaicha, your mom disrespected herself. You shouldn't have brought her up in Bibi Nigeria reunion. I love my mom as in the way I love her. Everybody loves this her mom, but this is a different story. This is a different topic. This is a different thing. You shouldn't have brought up your mom. What happened between your mom and Katrina? You shouldn't have even brought that up there. Okay, let's just say that you forgive. That's because that's what Kaisha said. She forgives Katrina. Okay, no problem. We know we forgive, but V on her own, that V self, if you have allowed that year, what she would have done yesterday night. But anyway, but Kaisha, one, you are wrong. Kaisha, you are wrong. I don't know this. People are saying this thing looks scripted. The way Kaisha threw the pillow. Kaisha, you shouldn't have done that because she never hurt. That's. Anyway, they're all bringing out their real self. They're not bringing out their real self. If you had allowed Lucy to do all these things in the house so much, she would have disqualified that girl. But as thank God they are even bringing out, we are now knowing how they all behave. They are true colors. Yes, we now know everything. But again, as in, I'm sure you guys felt, as in, you guys saw how Lucy raised her hand to even that slap where it's called Dorime slap. As when you say Dorime, that slap is called Dorime slap because I never even believed that such a thing would happen. Lucy, I feel how, as in, with that her bole hand, that hand that she's using to do bole and fish. Kaicha, let me just tell you, behave yourself. You don't come and be talking. It's not everybody that you come and just fight and the person will just allow you. Someone like me, I might just let it go. But another person will not just come and let it go. Lucy, the kind of person that you don't come to her and talk anyhow. You don't come to her and vomit nonsense. But anyway, Kaicha, sorry if she hurts you. Sorry. Anyway, I don't know. But now let's move over to Tochi. What was even Tochi saying? What was Tochi saying? What was he even saying? Tochi should just go and sit down because anyway, Katrina, I understand her for unfollowing them. Instead of following someone that I understand her, honestly speaking. I understand that girl. I understand that boss lady. But she just needs love, and people should stop saying something they don't know. Because I can't come and stand up right now and start making a post that what is it called? Boss lady is a lesbian. No, if boss lady is a lesbian, boss lady wouldn't have had anything to do with praise in the house. She wouldn't even come up and be saying what happened in the house, 5 seconds, 2 seconds, wherever. And again, she wouldn't have even come out and say again to say praise they had something to do after everything. No, she wouldn't have come out to say such a thing. But please, let's just try and understand Katrina. She's an emotional person. She just wants a true friend. She don't like betrayal. Maybe they have betrayed her countless times, so she does not want out. So that's why she just decided to unfollow almost all the housemates. I understand that girl very much. Please, let's just try and understand her. Stop condemning her. We should never condemn people. We should never condemn people. People should, please, if you want to carry rumor around, please do it in a proper way, not condemning people. Why are you condemning her? Saying chi. Oh no, please, let's just try and know what we say. This is social media, because internet never forgets. Social media, it's always be there. Even in the next 50 years, if you come and search for it, if you type hashtag Bibi Naija season 6, everything will come out and everything that happened will just show. Let's know what we are saying. Let's know how we are condemning people. Okay, that is why I am here to make this video, that please people should stop talking about bad what is not even. I don't say what I don't know. I come out to say what I've seen, what I know. I like seeing before saying anything. I love seeing. Okay guys, this is where I'll be ending this video. I am sure you guys understood everything I just said. Please, let's stop condemning people. Let's stop talking about I know, yes, Katrina, just 2 weeks that Daniel, stop it. The 2 weeks, just 2 weeks that Katrina stayed in the house, she knows everything. See, that girl, the boss lady, anyway, that's why she's called a boss lady. Boss lady, yeah, that she is. Okay, guys, this is where I'll be ending this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, turn on the notification bell, so that when I drop a new banger, you'll be the first to get notified and watch. Thank you once again. I love you. See you once again in my next video. Bye. Take care. Ciao. Love you. Au revoir.